Ang malaking awesome. And pag-uusapan natin po yung mga napag-usapan din natin yesterday sa mga nanood sa live. Thank you so much sa mga team replay and actually nagpi-play out na yung sinabi ko kahapon. And right now pag-uusapan po natin yung action na sinabi ko sa 4-hour time frame and yung doon sa magiging long time, higher time frames natin. And also pag-usapan din natin tong sinabi ko dito na hindi natupad pero potentially we're still doing it. Probably pwede pang may mangyaring ganitong action, and also we'll be talking about our S&P 500 and also we'll be talking about yung ating sa crude oil, why it's so bullish and what is going on a sabihin natin midterms to long term. And pag-uusapan din natin yung sa gold, then pag-uusapan din natin itong mga posts ito, news, etc. and especially itong last part natin na to. Then of course, let's start off. And guys, this is not a financial advice and this is just a review of our previous live kung hindi kayo nakapanood. And also, dito sa last video, sa last part ng video natin ay pag-uusapan natin yung nag-make money tayo talaga. And ngayon, pag-uusapan muna natin yung price natin dito. So, nakita natin nag-breakout na, and are we just confirming the action? Yun yung tanong eh. And ngayon, sa nakikita ko, I think we are actually going to see more higher highs. Okay? Kasi pag tinitingnan natin yung MACD, yun din yung sinasabi niya. Kung titignan nyo, kung dito nag-top tayo dito sa areas na 73, then ngayon, we're actually trying to cross again, which ganun din yung nangyari dito. Kung titignan nyo, nag-top, tapos we're trying to cross, then pag nag-cross na dun tayo siguro mag heavy bag or mag all in na sa market, whether whatever the price. Pag nag-cross yan, it will be a longer bull action again for Bitcoin. But yun laging iingatan nyo, which is yung rotation natin ng funds. So kung nasa Bitcoin lahat ng pera, then most probably Bitcoin infrastructure yung magiging narrative for that one, then and so on and so on. Now, pag-usapan po natin yung ating 4-hour time frame. So kahapon pinag-usapan po natin na we will just retrace these levels, and the reason why we were able to predict that one is because of price action. Then the question is, papasok na ba tayo? Hindi pa. We always want to make sure that we go above the 1.382 as a confirmation, and this retrace is not a confirmation yet. We entered the confirmation, which is the previous high or close to the nearest high, the high that we made during the April 7th or April 8th ng 1 AM dito sa US or sa LA. Now, kung titignan nyo guys, we're having a little bit shaky. Then natupad din yung sinabi ko na we will be seeing a lot of volatility, pero ang tanong yun na ba yun? I would say hindi pa. Marami pong pwedeng mangyaring volatility. Pwede tayo ma-retrace pabalik sa loob, then magkatakutan na pwede tayong bumaba. Pwede yun mangyari guys na fake breakout, then dito na tayo bababa. Yun yung sinasabi kong fake breakout doon sa previous live natin, but that's why we have this strategy, which is the anti-fake breakout. So mag-all in lang tayo guys pag nagkaroon tayo ng strong close above the previous high na nakita natin, or dito sa close nung previous high natin. Doon pa lang pwede na siguro tayo mag-start mag-DCA. Then if we close above here, which is this 1.618, tapos ang next high natin will be 76 or 78 to 80k. Pwede yun mangyari because of the bullish sentiment for pre-halving. But most often, sasabihin ko sa inyo, may news ako nakita na could actually give us a sentiment na parang hindi pwedeng mangyari yon, and there could be a bearish sentiment. So ngayon pag-usapan natin to. Okay, kung umangat siya, sabihin natin pwede yun mangyari, then babantayan siguro natin. Kaya sinasabi ko na siguro DCA in lang, huwag tayo mag-all in. Okay, yun lang yung sinasabi ko for your paper trades, is because of this pattern as well. So we want to watch out for this, but this is still bullish pattern in a macro perspective. Sabihin natin mas lalakihan lang na zoom out natin. We're still doing a flat top, then ascending triangle. So which is still just in case that we're doing this really, sabihin natin, then we are in a bullish sentiment. Kung dito mag-stop out, tapos mag-retrace, then we are doing an ABCDE, then pwede tayong umangat. Or, just in case, mabutas talaga yung E na gusto nating wag mabutas, okay? now we can go lower, which is to retrace this previous level kasi hindi pa natin ito nare-retrace, which is very significant or very understandable kung ma-retrace natin to. So that would be great opportunity for everyone. Now let's talk about the S&P. Kamusta na yung S&P natin? Actually, we're seeing a bullish pattern as well. Meron tayong ABC impulse on a 4-hour time frame. And I don't want to assume the market structure, but it just keeps on telling me the same thing, no? Na meron tayong bullish pennant here or bull flag na tinatawag. So now we're trying to retrace or stay above the moving average of 20 or 20 moving average. Once na mapasag natin 50 moving average, then it will be a bullish run for S&P 500, which can also give a positive sentiment naman din for BTC. Now, let's go back to our oil naman. So, yung sa oil natin, bakit nangyayari to? Guys, this is all about inflation and we're seeking refuge on how to save our money during inflation, and this is textbook. Okay, so laging ganito yung nangyayari. If there's an imminent inflation na nakikita ng nasa institutions, we're having problems already with the banks and everything, then most of the investors are trying to seek refuge where to put their money, and now we're making so much money when it comes to oil. Why as well? So on a physical perspective, maraming gumagamit ng oil, maraming usage kasi yung oil. So most of the countries are using oil, and that is the main reason right now. And marami tayong data about that, pero hahaba kasing video natin. This is just a recorded video for you guys. And now let's talk about the gold. Okay, so nakikita natin super bullish. Then here's what I see. Okay, the reason why we pumped is because of China mainly and China sentiment. Okay, so there are two newses about the China that pumped the whole gold, but in the end of the day, katulad na sinasabi ko, gold will just be transferred to BTC in a longer time, or sabay silang aangat at the same time sharing the sabihin natin yung market cap. Nagsasalit-salitan lang to ng market cap hanggang sa in the end of the day we transition to fully digital, kumbaga. And this is just gonna be your physical receipt, yung gold. But yeah, the first news na nakita ko nasa LinkedIn siya. I don't know why. Then I was just like looking for jobs, and ito yung nakita ko, guys. Okay, so gold as quickly became the investor favorite. And so dito lang sinasabi lang dito na you see Central Bank in China bought 19 tons of gold. Okay, so I had to look for a accurate news about this kasi hindi ko siya mapagkatiwalaan. So I found this one. Okay, so Central Bank daw kept on purchasing gold in February. Hindi to bago. So February, March, they've been banking off. And actually last year, hindi na rin to bago. Binanggit ko na sa inyo to. Ito yung tinatawag nating BRICS. Okay, so BRICS is actually moving a lot of their selling all of their US dollars, most of their US dollars. Then also they're trying to back up their own currencies with precious metals, which is gold, silver, nickel, copper, whatever. Okay, but ang pinaka-importante part lang dito is yung point na 19 tons of their coffers. So they're so bullish about the gold. And also the another news na nakita ko dito is yung ating top Chinese mutual funds exploring Bitcoin ETFs via Hong Kong units. Or point ko lang dito is yung on and off na sentiment nila for Bitcoin. Ayun lang yung ayoko kasi pag sinabi ng China na ayaw natin ng baban natin ulit yung Bitcoin tapos i-on na ulit natin. I think this is just a manipulation that they're trying to do so that they can confiscate more money, more Bitcoins from these people. Same thing in the US, as they always deem that most of those Bitcoins are actually Silk Road money or used for illegal activity in the United States and was used for US dollars or converted into US dollars. So now these two countries are competing, no? Nagko-compete sila, nagpapadamihan sila ng Bitcoin, which is very understandable because this is a great war in finance between the two, which is China and US. So we're trying to do a full analysis about it. It's just that wala pa akong masyadong data about it kasi it's all about claims or tsismis, but it's not a financial advice or nor economic advice, no? Hindi ako magaling sa economy actually kung tutuusin, but I'm just very close when it comes to tsismis, and I know what will drive people nuts or crazy or hopium or crazy about the prices, what drives the price as well. So now ito yung pinaka natuwa kong news for today. Okay, this is what I've been telling you guys. Now wag niyo underestimate yung yung post-halving. After ng halving natin, after a month of halving, sabihin natin April 22, then May 22, we can already see new highs after that one. Pwede na tayo ma-set for a win. Okay? Hindi ko sinasabi automatic, ganun. Okay? Yun yung mali ng mga nasa comment section dito sa YouTube channel natin na ina-anticipate nila masyado yung pinagsasabi ko. I'm in the future. I'm trying to explain it to you guys na wag niyong i-underestimate yung post-halving natin. Especially after 3 months of sideways or down, we should be bagging more money and uunahan natin yung mga institutionals or institution money. Now, the thing is, okay, here's the thing, okay, if we will just read this one, okay, summarize ko na lang sa inyo. So, ito yung opposite usually, dito muna tayo. So, yung after May 1st, it's back, it's regular programming. Yun yung doon ako natuwa. After May 1st, May 1st ako, after a month or 2 or 3. So, siya, sobrang aga. So, I don't know why we're not getting any we don't criticize this kind of people, 'di ba? Pag mga taong sikat, they praise him, pero pag mga maliliit na influencers or mga taong nagto-talk about pero they have the diligence, ako katulad ko, I always watch the market and I always make sure that my sentiments will be aligned to what is happening currently, government wise, regulation wise, and everything that I can see. Why am I saying that 2 to 3 months from now, we may be able to see new highs for Bitcoin, and 80K is nothing. Okay, 100K is nothing. Then 200K is very possible if we enter a new cycle for Bitcoin. Like we will break chains already, which is magmumukha siyang $1 prices for Bitcoin because of the world wealth na tinatawag. But yeah, hindi ko napapahabahin yun. But yeah, those are the things. And also the opposite usually, this is why I believe Bitcoin and crypto prices in general will slump around the halving. So dito lang yung sa part na to na medyo kinabig niya, because he wants to let us know that it is very imminent that we very reasonable na magkaroon tayo ng pullbacks or retrace dun sa mga previous lows that we had, which is ito 60 or 59K, then we have 62, meron tayong 64. Okay, but yeah, those are the updates that I have, and thank you so much sa mga nanood, but also thank you so much sa mga nakinig sa akin dun sa previous live natin dun sa manipulation Bitcoin plus gem. Okay, sinabi ko sa inyo yung boomer natin, we have it here, then also we have the previous live naman natin as well, somewhere here. Then we were able to make 400%. Then I took profits already dun sa mga nasa members. Thank you so much sa inyo at sa pagsubaybay ng aking journal. Yan. So thank you so much guys. Tsismis lang ang lahat ng yun. Kailangan nyo pa rin aralin, planuin at kilusan. Nang sa gayon, ang lahat ng ito ay ating makamtan. At syempre, stay awesome. Goodbye.